Hi! In front of me is Realme Pad, and today I would like to show you how you can customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Settings. Now you need to scroll all the way down, choose System, then Languages and Input, On-Screen Keyboard, and finally Keyboard. From here, click on Theme and tap on this plus sign under My Themes. Now you can finally select the photo that you wish to apply. Then pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, select Next and adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Finally click on Done and tap on the switcher next to keyboarders to enable or disable them. Then choose Apply and go back. And now, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!